One of the biggest reasons why people don't start an online business or a print-on-demand business in general is because it's overwhelming. All the things that you need to set up can feel difficult, feels like a lot of steps, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how we can simplify these steps, reduce the overwhelm, and utilize AI. Because with today's technology and being able to use AI not to replace us, but to help us make things more efficient and do things faster can be really beneficial. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Mac. I post videos talking about e-commerce, passive income, and different ways to make money online, and all things to do with print on demand, as that's the business model that I've been doing since I lost my bartending job in 2020, and it has completely changed my life. So I make videos talking about that, and I'd love to have you a part of our community here on YouTube, so subscribe if you are not already. Now, as I mentioned, AI can be something that people either love or hate, and me specifically, at first, I was not really an AI fan. But once I realized how many things it could help me with to, again, be more efficient rather than just replace me completely, I am now a fan and I use it a lot in day-to-day for my online businesses, including print on demand. So if you're a complete beginner and you're wanting to get started, this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to show you these steps that you can use AI to really just help you start this business from start to finish. We're going to go over how to figure out what to sell, how to create products with AI, and how to even create your own online business with AI, which is really cool. So I'm excited to share that with you. Then how to create designs and mockups with AI and do your SEO and even marketing. So very cool, and that's what you can expect from today's video, and of course everything is time-stamped. Now, very first is trying to figure out what products to sell, and I think that this is what stops a lot of people because they either have no idea or too many ideas that they just don't act on. And with print on demand being one of the best business models, there are a lot of different products that you can choose from and sell. Because when you partner with a print-on-demand supplier like Printify, they have all these blank products for you to create designs and list, and it can be a bit intimidating because there are so many. So what I recommend doing is go to your AI and type in a little bit about yourself or products that you want to sell, and simply ask the AI for ideas. You can also ask the AI to validate if these are products that people are searching for or niches that people are actively buying in. You can even ask the AI to do a search for you across Google or other sites like Etsy or TikTok Shop to see, again, if people are buying in this specific niche. Now, once you've done that, the next step is figuring out where to sell your products, right? Because there are a lot of different options when we are going to be creating our products to sell. And recently, I found an AI website builder that not only builds your website for you, but also can create products immediately to list on your store. Meaning you can choose the product and it will actually create niche-specific designs for your store, which is really great and beginner friendly. And again, utilizing AI to create something for us that we can later add to, but overall get things moving. So what I'm talking about is called Shop. Now, Shop is a way that you can literally tell the AI exactly what you want to sell and what you want to build your store around, and it will create it for you. All you have to do from the home page is click this, and then you can actually type in exactly what you want to create your store around, and it will do it using AI. And you may notice too that below there are some niche options as well. Now, this is cool because, as I mentioned earlier, it will actually create designs and products for you. So if you're somebody that's never created a print-on-demand design before, maybe you're completely brand new, this is a great option because you can choose from one of these niches, and then once you hit to generate your store, it will begin creating the store for you and, again, listing these pre-designed products after you choose one of them. And there's a lot of different options too, and it takes just a few moments to do this, as you can see. And then you have all these different products on your store for that specific niche that you chose. Now, this is great too because it's also very customizable. So you can change the different colors, you can change the fonts, and of course switch out any photos. There are going to be some photos that are already added in there too, so you don't have to change these. But if I'm being honest, your store's success, you really do want to put some time and energy to it. So whether you want to add in your own photos or your own mock-ups can be really beneficial to the success of your store. But of course, these are things you can do later down the line. The main thing is actually getting your store set up and listing products. So if you use Shop and you list these products already, you're pretty much halfway there. Now, what's cool about this too is there's other features as well. There's everything you need for an online store, so you don't have to use a bunch of different other apps, and you can also connect your Printify account very seamlessly. And don't worry if you don't have a Printify account yet for your print-on-demand products, you can set one up right through Shop. It walks you through step by step, and then you can actually start creating and listing products of your own or import them from another store if you're already active as a print-on-demand on-demand seller. And also it helps you with your SEO. You can do email marketing, and you can even do reviews, which is really great and helps your store's overall credibility. This is something that I really love because when you have reviews on your store, it helps to have customers really trust you and actually buy from you. So if you've been wanting to create a store, you're really overwhelmed and you want to try out something that is with AI that will actually create your products for you, your descriptions, your photos, and really help to get you started, I highly recommend OppaShop. Of course, I will leave a link for you in the description box below. You may notice when signing up to this too that it is having an Everbee logo. That's because it is also created by the Everbee team, which is how we know that this is a product that we're going to love, because if you're new to my channel or if you've seen my channel before, you may know that I absolutely love Everbee as a Chrome extension for searching. So if this looks like something you're interested in, I will have a link for you in the description below, so you can go ahead and give it a try, see how it works. And again, this is perfect for somebody that really wants to start creating their store and wants some help and to have everything optimized for you. Now with this too, when you're listing your products, something that I mentioned briefly that's very important is your SEO. And I'm somebody that highly uses AI for my SEO. If you're not familiar with SEO, this is called search engine optimization. The way that SEO works is essentially what someone types into Google and Google shows them what they typed in, right? So if you're selling a t-shirt with a dog on it, those are keywords that need to be included so that someone can find that t-shirt when they search for it. And so by using relevant keywords and different things in our titles and descriptions, we can really help to gain more traffic and potentially get more sales through SEO. So I really love to use different apps like ChatGPT and Claude to do this as well. And I just find it to be extremely helpful because I like to take a photo of the product that I'm selling, place it directly into this AI, and ask it for an optimized title and description, which it will create for me. And I think that this is really helpful regardless of what platform you're selling on. Like I said, if you're using something like OppaShop, it will do it for you already, but just in case you want to add additional keywords or make a description more of your own, these are all things that I do recommend doing. This is something that I do across all of the board and platforms that I sell on, and I have seen really great results with it. I'm not really sure why. I don't know if AI just knows more about search engine optimization than I do. I've been doing it for years on my own, but by utilizing this AI, it can make it more user-friendly and a little bit more easy to understand when you are a beginner and don't really know exactly how SEO works yet. And SEO can be a free traffic source that can help you if your SEO is really good, rather than having to spend a ton of more money on advertisements. Now, next, let's talk about designing, because designing is something that has completely transformed for me after using AI. Now, I used to make all my designs completely on my own, which is great. And if you can do so, I highly recommend it. However, I know that a lot of people starting out with print on demand may not be super comfortable with designing. So I love AI designing because of a platform that I've used for years, launched the absolute coolest AI I have seen when it comes to designs. This is Kittl. If you've seen my channel, I'm sure you've heard me talk about them, because you can create the most insane things just by using a prompt. And it works similarly to if you were to use a ChatGPT or Claude, but essentially you're just asking it to make you an image. Now, what's cool about this though is that you can choose from multiple different AI image generators all under one platform, rather than having to set up for Google Gemini or Nano Banana. You can do it all within Kittl's AI and just select which one you'd like to generate with. Kittl also has a ton of templates that you can use and start with as well, and then create what's called an AI smartboard to continue the design and make it your own. I have made so many amazing cool things utilizing this method, especially using the artboards to create multiple designs, because once I already have one design, I can make 5 to 10 more or 100, there's really no limit, just by creating an AI image board. To do this on Kittl, all you have to do is start with your image, select artboard, hit AI image board, and then just type the changes. So I can say change the text to say Western girl, add sparkles, and make the colors pink and purple. Add in a longhorn. And then once I hit generate, it'll start creating another version of this with the changes that I just typed. And there's really unlimited opportunities with this of how many different designs you can make, and the AI will just keep changing it for you. So see, in just a few seconds, I now have this design. I can convert it to an image, remove the background, And just like that, we can place this on a product to start selling. And then if you ever want to check out all your creations too for different artboards, you can just go under my creations and see all the things that you've made with AI. So here's an example of all the ones that I've made with this AI, doing patterns, different mockups, videos. There's so many things that I've created doing this, and it's saved me so much time, and they look so realistic and so good. So I highly recommend that. You can also use this to create beautiful mockups, which I also love to do. All you have to do is the same thing, generate another AI image board and ask the AI for a mockup of literally whatever you want, and it will create it for you. I've also been using this to create videos and UGC for my products. And these are all things that you can then take and implement on the online store that you just created. We have slowly left the state of where you would have to order samples to take your own photos and videos of your products. You can now do this all with AI, and it's realistic if you're starting out with what that product actually looks like with your design. I have a few tutorials on this, which I will leave in the description below, because it is such a cool process and I talk about it a lot. But essentially, I would highly recommend trying this out. There's so many opportunities with this too, through templates and through pre-built flows that they have. It's really user-friendly, especially if you are a beginner, or if you're somebody that's a designer already and uses other platforms. I would highly recommend checking this out because it is the best AI for design that I have seen. And of course, I will link it in the description for you if you have not tried it out yet. Now, next, let's talk about marketing, because once you already have your product, you have your AI store built, you have your SEO, you've done your AI images and designs and photos, now we need to market your online store so that we can actually get sales. And marketing is a honestly very tricky step. I won't lie to you, I've been doing this for a long time, and the thing that really tripped me up the most in the beginning was marketing, because I had no idea how to do it. Now, there are actually a lot of free ways to do marketing. I know a lot of people hear the word marketing and they assume advertisements that are paid, and yes, that is a very effective route if you know who you're selling to. But if you're just starting out, I actually don't tell people to spend all their money on ads. I think what works better is going the free route through talking to people that you know and asking them for honest opinions and reviews. And then also using things like social media or Pinterest to get your products out there. And one of my favorite ways to do this is actually through Pinterest, because with Pinterest being a search engine, people are actively on there looking for ideas, inspiration, and a lot of like clothing, apparel, and different like types of print-on-demand products. And they're not actually in the sense to buy, they're in the sense to get inspired or save or create mood boards, but it actually does convert pretty well. You can put a direct link to your product on a Pinterest pin completely for free. Unlike with social media where someone will have to comment for a link or go to your bio, still effective, but by having that where someone clicks on your pin and automatically can go directly to your product page and check out, those are gonna convert better, right? Because it's less of a decision fatigue, it's less of a step. And so I've seen a lot of success with this. And what I really like to do to use AI is you can take one of your mock-up photos that you have of your product, and then you can ask the AI to create a Pinterest pin for you. You can ask it to create a title and description that is SEO driven for Pinterest so that you can already just copy and paste directly over to Pinterest. So on a Pinterest account, I recommend creating one specifically for your business. All you have to do is upload your mock-up photo and then copy and paste the title, description, and then add in relevant tags, add in the link to your product, and start posting these pins. Now, what I recommend for this too is you can schedule out pins in advance. So spend a few hours doing this and schedule out multiple pins for products in your store. And then there you go, you have a free marketing strategy through Pinterest. Now, I won't lie, this is a longer term play rather than if you were to spend money on paid advertisements, but it's still a way of getting your products out there for free. You can also post the same photos or videos that I just showed you of making with AI on your social media accounts to really help people to see your products and get it going. And I wanna say too, before I end this video, I know that when you're in the beginning stages of things, as I said, it's overwhelming, I know that, but also it can feel a bit defeating. It can feel like everyone else has already done this, there's no room in the market for me, and I want you to take those thoughts and completely erase them, because it's not true. There is so many people in the world, there's still so much room to sell products, it's not oversaturated, and half of the people that will tell you that or say that have never actually tried it themselves, or at least tried hard enough to launch an online business or to gain that attention. Most people will not start at all, or start and give up after a few days because they can't put that consistency or see the vision. So if you're somebody that's watching this video, you obviously have interest in it, and I fully believe that you can do it, because I was in that position just a few years ago where I felt like, okay, this might not make me any money. I don't know if it's gonna work. And had I given up, I would never even be close to where I'm at now. And with having all of these AI tools that I wish I would have had when I got started, I know I would have been able to scale everything so much faster. So I really hope that this video is helpful to you. I really hope that maybe you can take anything from this video or any tips to really help and start you to get going in your online business journey. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below any questions that you have. If you did find this helpful, if there's anything you'd like me to create more videos on. Everything, of course, is linked and timestamped. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.